Datoon. And now we're gonna be doing a food tasting. Pero bago yun, let me go on my group mates. We have Daisy!
Hi guys!
Next, we have siya na daw, si Kelly. Come on, Kelly. Last one, we have Angel. Okay. So, gagawin namin ngayon. Anong gagawin natin? So, we're going to the taste. Okay. So, excited na ba kayo, guys? Tara na. Let's go. Papunta na po kami, guys. On the way na kami. Excited na daw po kasi si Daisy. Diba?
Gutom na kasi kami.
Siyempre nakatainit.
At ayun na nga guys, nakarating na kami sa Paulog, Ligao City. Wala nang intro-intro yan. Nagtanong kami kay ate if pwede kaming mag-video habang nagluluto siya and pumayag naman siya. So yan, pinapakita niya yung pag-prepare niya ng puto makapuno.
She uses two main ingredients, which are the rice flour. Many puto recipes, especially in the Bicol region, use rice flour or ground rice as the main ingredient. Sweetened makapuno. The puto makapuno often includes sweetened makapuno as a filling, enhancing its sweet flavor. Some traditional methods involve using improvised steamers made from recycled steel drum. The main cooking technique for puto makapuno is steaming, specifically using a steamer with low heat and a special mold. The butter is prepared with rice flour and makapuno and cooked in halved coconut shells lined with banana leaves, which serve as a unique mold and container.
The puto makapuno in Paulog, Ligao City is a celebrated local delicacy with a rich history dating back to 1994 when Marta Martinez from Paulog, Ligao City started making it. Today, it is a thriving industry in Ligao City, particularly in Barangay Paulog, and is well known among locals and tourists alike.
Ito na po yung laman.
Hi! Hello! So, ayun, bumili na kami ng puto makapuno. So, ayun. Ayun. So, itatry na po namin. Please. Wow! Sabay-sabay tayo kakain. Init guys. Mainit pa. Okay, 1, 2, 3, cheers! Ikaw na muna mag-describe. Sabi lang yung pag-sweet. Wala na siyang masabi. So, yun po yung dinaya namin dito sa Paulog, Ligao City. Ligao City dito? Ligao po. So, ipin po namin yung location.
Then yung price niya.
Yes. So, sa price naman guys, super affordable naman siya. Plus, mabubusog na talaga kayo. Kasi bukod sa sakto lang yung tamis niya. Talagang gawa siya sa rice. So, ang next namin nakakainin is biniribid. Yes. In English is twisted. Yun, twisted. Galing talaga ni Kelly, guys. So, ayun. Patay na po namin yung
Literal na twisted siya.
Harap. Anong masasabi ko?
Alam mo itong kasahan niya.
Kasi yun talaga, caramelized talaga yung sugar. Pero ito,
Tapos may ano, milk.
yung amoy,
May milk ba?
meron. 1 to 10.
9?
9.
9.5.
Bakit 9.5?
10 kasi masarap.
Pipilitan ko yun. Ako,
May kalasapya siya.
ano, mine kasi parang, yung nakakain ko kasi dati na ganito, brown,
Tapos may asukal sa ibabaw.
pero yung sa lasa, sa akin lasa. So, magkano nga to, 10? So, sa price naman guys, very affordable. So, gusto nyo matry ito, and talagang sa harap nyo, lang. So, samahan nyo din kami guys, punta kami ng
Kalsada.
Calzada. Then, summer here in Ligao.
After we try the famous rice puto makapuno, we immediately wait for a jeepney to catch a ride back to the city center and buy pili sweets at Calzada.
Aside from puto makapuno and biniribin, you can also try sinapot and kinamsan. The main ingredients includes sliced saba banana, all-purpose flour, water, salt, and sugar. And I swear guys, it's worth it to try. A bit of info guys about the Bicol's Pili Sweets. Pili Sweets are deeply rooted in Bicol's culinary heritage with Don Antonio Regidor pioneering the industry in 1936. A Spanish immigrant, Regidor settled in Bicol and noticed the abundance of pili trees. Inspired by his mother's candy recipes, he experimented with pili nuts as a substitute for imported ingredients, creating early confections. For cooking technique to make pili sweets, prepare the pili nuts by blanching and peeling them. Create a syrup by dissolving sugar in water and then simmer the nuts in the syrup until they are well coated and the syrup has thickened. Properly store the conserved and sterilized char to prolong its shelf life. Welcome to Ida's Eatery and Pansitan, the home of Ligao's best Pansit Dinuguan. Ida's Eatery and Pansitan business was founded way back in 1995. It started from a simple stall that served a well-loved Pansit Dinuguan, which then grew into a beloved local institution. From their humble beginnings to their current cozy spot, they're always been committed to serving authentic Bicolano flavors with a warm, family-friendly atmosphere. Pansit Dinuguan typically includes pork, garlic, vinegar, and chili peppers. In preparing the pork, choose the right cut of pork to enhance the flavor. Next is marinate the pork overnight for best results. Popular marinade choices includes soy sauce, garlic, and vinegar. You can pan fry, oven roast, or grill the pork. Adjust cooking time accordingly. Pan frying takes about 10 minutes, while oven roasting can take up to 1 hour. In browning the pork, use quality pork cuts, season, saute onions and vinegar and pork. In dinuguan sauce, saute aromatic onion, garlic, ginger, and fish sauce. Simmer with water, lemongrass, vinegar, and broth base. Mix in pork blood gradually, strain, and season. Lastly is the assembly. Cook pancit noodles, combine with dinuguan sauce, and garnish.
We gave the same rating because the taste is undeniably the best, so 10 over 10. And also the price, it's very affordable. By the way guys, I saw online that one of the Kapuso actress visited here last year and she's Miss Kaylin Alcantara.
Hi guys! So we're done trying puto mapuno in Polog, Ligaw City. Sa katunayan may take out ako. Madami. So sobrang sarap. And then next is yung pansit dinuguan here in Santa Cruz, Ligaw City. So now, the last food na i-try namin is yung Tilis. Yeah. Loaded kabakar. Wait mo na. Wait.
10 out of 10 siya. Dahil sarap. May kakaiba siyang lasa. May special siya, ingredient.
Mahal ka 9.5. 9.5 kasi parang may kulang. Something. Yan lang. Sa akin, na-rate ko for me, 9. Kasi parang hindi ko na-expect na ganun yung lasa niya. Yes. Ito naman din.
9 out of 10. No, same kay Angel. Bakit? Sabi ni Angel, may special. Siguro, ba sa mantika?
Siguro made with coconut.
Oo. Pero masarap naman siya, di ba?
Yes, organic. So, ayun guys. Hope you enjoy watching. Hanggang dito na lang kami.
Once again, I am Daisy Miguanzon.
I'm Carlo Datoon.
And I am Angel Talavera.
Kelly Verses. And thank you guys for watching.
Yes. You can support our video by liking and sharing. If you guys are looking for authentic puto makapuno, you can visit Polog, Ligaw City, Albay here in Bicol. And also,
If you want to taste authentic pansit dinuguan here in Santa Cruz, you can visit here.
yes, ilalagay na lang po namin yung location sa comment section. If may paborito po kayo na Bicolano dishes or snack, you can drop it sa comment section. Yun lang. Bye-bye!